Hello guys, this is gonna be a quick video to show you exhaust valve failure on a 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee with a 3.6. These heads are known for dropping valve seat. I don't know if the seat moved from the head, but the valve looks pretty closed. However, you can see where it's leaking here, and the exhaust valve here on cylinder number 2 is cracked. So this cylinder had no compression, and Jeep has extended warranty on these engines, 150,000 miles or 10 years, and they sell a revised cylinder head. Apparently they only had issues with the driver's side cylinder head, cylinder 2, 4, and 6. So yeah, if you have a misfire on a Jeep, make sure you check compression before you go for the common failures. This car only had 120,000 miles, and it looks in pretty good condition on the outside. It's not beat up or anything. This is simply mechanical failure due to, I would say, poor quality parts. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye now.